You've heard of crossplay? Well, now you have cross voice. You can now use Discord on your PlayStation 5, and it's fairly easy and intuitive to use. All you need to do is first start by connecting your accounts. Let's start with PlayStation 5. To connect your PlayStation 5 account, you first need to update your PlayStation 5 to the newest system update, then go to Settings, then User and Accounts, followed by Linked Services. From here, all you need to do is select Discord from the list and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. Now we need to link your Discord account to your PlayStation Network account on your Discord. From your Discord, go to User Settings and then Connections, either on desktop, web, or mobile. From here, you can select the PlayStation logo within the Connections menu and follow the process to get your account for PlayStation Network linked to your Discord account. Now that both your accounts are connected, you can start voice chatting with your Discord friends on your PlayStation 5. All right, so you might be wondering, how do we use Discord voice on PlayStation 5? Whether you're on desktop, web, or mobile for Discord, I'm gonna show you on mobile because I feel like most PlayStation 5 people will easily do this method. All you need to do is once you have a voice connected, you just go to the voice controls at the bottom and swipe up. Here, you're going to see Join on PlayStation. Just to note though, if you do this on desktop, you're gonna see a button that sort of looks like a phone and a game controller next to each other. This is what you wanna tap on. Next, you're gonna be asked which console you wanna transfer your voice conversation to. Once you select which device you want, it'll transfer the Discord voice over to your PlayStation 5 and you will hear your friends come in very clearly. Now you can make all the adjustments you want straight from PlayStation 5 for the voice Discord conversations that you're having. All you need to do is just go into the settings there and there's many that you can play around with so that way it doesn't interrupt the gameplay or what you need to hear back and forth. Now the cool thing is if you do this on mobile, you can close out the Discord app and it won't close the voice conversation. You will still have that conversation with your friends on PlayStation 5, which is nice because then you don't have to control or moderate anything. When you want to leave the conversation, you do it just like you would on PlayStation 5. You just close the group or the voice chat and it's all said and done. Using Discord voice on your PlayStation 5 is very easy, but make sure you connect both your PlayStation account to Discord and your Discord account to PlayStation. That's the only thing that you might have a little bit of trouble with, but other than that, it's very easy. Hopefully this video helped you out and get you chatting with all that cross play and cross voice with your friends. My name's Wild. I'll check you all later. Take care, and of course, peace.